Hi children, how are you? Are you fine? So today we going to learn about a 6th class topic, chapter 1, knowing our numbers. That means we go through this chapter with how to read the numbers. Then which is the smallest number, which is the greatest number, then some number digits are giving, then using that numbers how to write down the greatest number, how to write down the smallest number, then how to read the numbers, then then estimation of numbers, like these things are we are going through this chapter. So today I going to teach about how to read the numbers. In fifth class you somewhat you learned that. So sixth class some more places we want to learn. First here we know that small numbers are first place values. How to find from right side to left side we find out the place values. After finding the place values we reading where to start from left side to right side, reading where starting. So example I give one number 8765. How to read this number? First we find out the place values. 5 is in which place? 1's place. 6 is in which place? 10's place. 7 is in which place? 100 place. 8 is in which place? 1000 place. So place values are like this. 5 is in 1's place. 6 is in 10's place. 7 is in 100 place. 8 is in the 1000 place. So 1's, 10's, 100 they are in one group. This group after we keep one comma. Then afterwards 8 belongs in which group? 1000. Here order in this way. Numbers are reading time 1's, 10's, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then next lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. In this way, this year you going to learn place how to read the numbers. The numbers are reading in this way. 1's place number, 10's place number, 100 place number, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore numbers this year you are going to reading learning. Then here this lies under one group. 100, 10's, 1's is belongs in one group. After that you keep a comma. Then 1000 and 10,000 are in another group. This group after we keep comma. Then lakh and 10 lakh is another group. That group after here we keep comma. Then crore and 10 crore are in the another group. So I give us some more examples, then you can understand what I say here. First here see then here see how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. 5 digits numbers are there. So here how to put the comma from right to left. We keep comma. 1's, 10's, 100. After that we keep comma. So this group in a these three numbers are in a one group. Then 8 and 9 are in a which group? 1000 group. So how to read this number? 9 and 8 are in 1000 group. They take togetherly. So 9 and 8 take togetherly means how we read that this two number? 98,345 is the number. So we read this number as a 98,345. Another example. So how to read this number? First place values are finding. How to place values are finding from right to left. We finding the place values. Ones, tens, 100. They are in one group. After that group keep comma. Again 1000, 10,000. They are in thousand group. After that again keep comma. Then this one 5, 7. They are in a lakh group. So how to read this number? 7 and 5 are in lakh group. This 4 and 7 are in the thousand group. And 6 to 5, 6 is in 100 group. 5 and 4 read togetherly. So 7 and 5 read togetherly means we read it as 75. Which group it is belonging? 1000 group. So 75 lakh. 4 and 7 read togetherly means 47. In which group? 1000 group. So 47,000. 6 is in 100 place and 600 for tens place 5 and 4 tens and ones place. So 5 and 4 read togetherly as 54. So we can try to read this number. How to read this number? 75 lakh 47,654 is the given number. I hope you can understand how to read the lakh numbers. Lakhs place lakh numbers are given time how to read. The next example. See next. See how to read this number. This number here, see place value first I find out. This one 7 is in which place? 1 to place. 4 is in which place? 10 to place. 5 is in which place? 100 place. These are in a one group. That's why we put a comma. The next 6 and 3 are in which group? They are in the 1000 group. After 1000 group we keep a comma. The next 4 and 9 are in which group? 4 is in 1000 place and 9 is in the 4 is in lakh place and 9 is in the 10 lakh place. So we read it as after that we put a comma. Then 7 is in the crore place. So how to read this number? 7 crore. 7 is in crore place. This is our crore place. 7 and 9 and 4 are in the lakh place. Then 3 and 6 in the 1000 place. Then 5 is in 100 and 4 and 7 are in the tens and ones. So how to read this one? Crore. How to read 7 crore 94 lakh 36,547. 7 is in crore place. That's why we read it as 7 crore. 9 and 4 are in lakh group. That's why they take togetherly 9 and 4 togetherly reading as 94 lakh. 3 and 6 means 36. They are in 1000 group. So 36,000. 5 is in the 100 place. So we read it as 500. 4 and 7 tens and ones group. They read as togetherly 47. So how to read this number? 7 crore 94 lakh 36,547 is the number name. I hope you can understand this name of the numbers, how to name the numbers. Then next one is identify the smallest and the greatest number. Which is the smallest number and the greatest number? And write as in the ascending. What about ascending order? Ascending order means numbers are right from smaller number to bigger number. We call it as an ascending order. What about descending order? Bigger number to smaller number where we are writing, we call it as a descending order. Some example, one example I going to give. Right. Say as in write as in the ascending order. Here in the 79 49 36 805. The next number is 2354 7 and next number is 9876502. See how to read this number. Here see how to here which is the number is greater number and which is the which are the numbers are in a smaller numbers. So question is write in ascending order. Write in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number, small to big number. So how to write a smaller number to in this pattern, which is the smallest number? 79 is the smallest number. Then look at next, which is the smallest number? Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit only. Here how many digits? Here how to keep comma? 3 numbers after keep 1 comma. 1, 2, 3. Afterwards 1 comma. How to read this number? 8,000. 8 is in 1000 place, so 8,765 is this number name. Next, this number, how to play? First we find out the place value. 5 is in ones, 0 is in tens place, and 8 is in 100 place. Afterwards we put a comma. Next, 6 is in the 1000 place, 3 is in 10,000 place. After that we keep after that we keep a comma. Then here see how to read this number. 4 and 9 are in which group? Lakh group. 3 and 6 are in which group? 1000. 8 is in 100 and 5 is in 10. So how to read this number? 49 lakh 36,000. 8 is 100. That's why 805. Here 49 lakh 36,805. Then here how to keep a comma there? First place value wise find out. Ones, tens, 100. After that put comma. Then here after this one is 1000, 10,000. They are in the one group. So how to read this number? 3 and 2 are in the 1000 group. So we read it as togetherly 3 and 2 togetherly reading as 32,547. So next this big number we want to read. How to read? First we identify the place values. How to identify? Here first we finding ones, tens, 100. After that keep comma. Then again 1000, 10,000. After we again put a comma. Then lakh, 10 lakh. After that we keep a comma. Then how to read this number? We read it, remember, from left to right we are reading. Reading left to right we are reading. So 9 is in which place? Crore place. So place value same. 9 is in crore place, we read it as 9 crore. 8 and 7 are in lakh place, so we take it as 8 and 7 together read as 87. So 87 lakh. 6 and 5 are in which place? 1000 group. That's why we read it as 65,000. Here 100 place 0 only, and 2 and 8 are tens and 1's place. Tens and 1's place read as 20. So once again I read the number. How to read? 9 crore 87 lakh 65,000 2800 places 0 only. So we read it as 28. In this way numbers are reading. Then our aim is to write the numbers are in a ascending order. Ascending means smaller number to bigger number. This number is just 79 only. That's why 79 right first. Next look in which is the another smaller number. This one. This one is how much only? 4-digit number only. That means we read it as 8,765 is our next number. Next which is our next number coming in these 3 numbers, which is the smallest number in that 3 numbers. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. Here how many only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits only. Here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only. Here 7 digits are there, here 5 digit only, here 8 digit are there. So which one first we choose? 5 digit number first we choose, that is 32,547, right to first. Then next remaining these two numbers are there. In that two number, which is smaller number? This is how many digit number? 7 digit number. This is how many digit number? 8 digit number. That's why 7 digit number. Next we write. Afterwards, lastly we write AD. So 49 lakh 36,805 right in the first. Then afterwards, last, which is our biggest number? 9 crore 87 lakh 65,028 is our biggest number. So I hope you can understand how to write down the ascending order. Ascending order means a given number pattern. Once you check which is the smaller number, so smaller number, next bigger number, next bigger number, like this way. For last, which is the biggest number in the pattern, that one last we are writing. Suppose here we want to write down the descending order. How to write down the descending order? Descending order means bigger number 2, big number 2, big number 2, smaller number. In this question, which is the biggest number we got? This one, 8 digit number, that is 9 crore 87 lakh 65,028 is the bigger. So we can write in that example, this is our biggest number. And next, which is our biggest number? 7 digit number, that is 49 lakh 36,805. Next, which is the biggest number there? 32,547. Next smaller number is 8,765. So which is the smallest number in this pattern? 17. In this way we call it as a descending order. I hope you can understand what about ascending order, what about descending order. Next one is we are telling about smallest number and largest number. Which is the smallest number, which is the largest number. So first, which is the smallest 2 digit number. Which is the smallest 2 digit number? 2 digit number starting from where? 10 to start. Up to 9, 1 digit number, which is the smallest 2 digit number. Asking time, 10 is the smallest 2 digit number. Which is the greatest 2 digit number? Greatest 2 digit number. Which is the greatest 2 digit number? 99. 99 plus 1 comes to be 100. 100 containing how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. That's why it is not a 2 digit number. Which is our 2 digit number? Up to 99. 99 is the greatest 2 digit number. Then next, which is the smallest 3 digit number? 3 digit. Which is the smallest 3 we starting a 3 digit number starting from 100. And which is the greatest 3 digit number? Greatest 3 digit number. Asking time, we can write it as 3 times 9. How to read this number? 919, and we read that number as 999 is the greatest 3 digit number. Next, which is the smallest 4 digit number? How to find it is easy only. That means 4 digit means how many digit we want? Here 4 digit number. Up to here 3 digit. Next number 999 is added with 1 means how to read that number? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So that means we can say 1,000 is the smallest 4 digit number. Which is the greatest 4 digit number? 4 digit number is here 4 times 9 we are writing. For 4 times 9 we are writing there. So how to read this number? 9,999. Next, smallest 5-digit number. Anybody asking here what is the smallest 5-digit number? They asking how to write immediately. Here 5 digit we need. So how to write? We write it as 1 2 3 4 4 0 and put 1. That means here which is the smallest one? 10,000. That means our anyhow our greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. That's why this number is added with 1. The 10,000 is coming. 10,000 is the starting number. Starting number we call it as a smallest number, and which number ending that number we call it as a greatest number. So once again, next last is greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number, how to write? Easily. That means 5 times 9 we can write. So how to read this number? Ones, tens, 100, they belongs in one group. Then here this 1,000 group 10,000, they read togetherly. 99,999 is the number. So 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. I hope you can understand this topic. Next time onwards, we are going to learn about here how to digits. Some numbers are given 0 1 2 8 like this numbers. Using that digits, how to frame a greatest number, how to frame a smallest number, like these numbers. How to framing and estimation is there. So this type of numbers are we are learning next class onwards. Thank you.